to treat me let me the later if you're so body just get my house in like no way she know it take up your shrimp and not like that goodbye just yeah they are king now but we gotta come in and see you you dream having me let me the later if you're so bad